How to appear offline on Roblox. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So in order to appear offline on Roblox, you can change your online status so your friends don't see you online. And here's how you can do it. You need to use the online status setting. So log into your Roblox account on the website or app, then tap on the gear icon in the top right and then go to settings. Now go to privacy and content restrictions tab. Go to visibility and private service, tap on visibility, and then tap on no one, and you'll be done. This will make you appear offline to your friends. And in your phone, follow the exact same steps, and you'll be done. You will still be able to play and chat, but your friends won't see you online. So that's all there is to it. This setting only affects your online visibility, not your actual connection. So that's all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.